Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, I am so excited because I was not expecting this today. This is the Walmart Beauty Box. This is a seasonal box that comes 4 times a year. It is $5. It automatically gets taken out of your account. So I like that. It's not something like the Target boxes. Every month the Target box comes out and you actually have to go in there and purchase it before it sells out. I do like this because I tend to forget about it since it's a seasonal box and it's only $5. It got taken out, and like I said, I was excited. It's exciting when you see something. It's like a Christmas when you get something that you're not expecting. So it literally just came in. It has the plastic on. I do know that there are 2 boxes that comes out. It's either a Transcender or a classic box, I think it's called. Jesus. And I think it goes by age, because when you sign up, you have to put your age. And I think if it's 35 and older, you get the classic box. And if you're 34 and under, you get the Transcender box. I will leave the link down below. It's not a referral link or anything like that if you are interested. And this is my second Walmart box I ever got. The first one I was quite impressed. I don't know the spoilers. I feel like we're so up and close today, but bear with me. So this is what it looks like. It says Walmart Beauty. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It just says enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about your Walmart Beauty Box in a brief survey by visiting beautyboxsurvey.com. And then something smells good in here, and that's what it looks like. You get quite a bit of things. So for me, I just think like this, like I'm just paying for shipping and everything else is free. So yeah, there's quite a bit of things for $5. Let me see if there's a card. I don't remember if a card comes with this. I am not sure. I don't know. Let's just go with what I say. The first thing is just a little brochure about the soft soap earth blends, if I can get that out. And then we have something with the black, white, and friendly all over. This Hello Whitening Toothpaste. And then what is this? A spray away by Aquaphor, you know, like that. Okay, so the first thing I see is from, and I don't know, I think this is the classic box. Okay, so this is Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. Now, I have tried this before, and I really, really like this. When you get out of the shower, the bath, or whatever you do, while your skin is still damp, you put this on, and it's supposed to like give you like a nice glow and lotion you up. And I do really like this. This is fair to medium skin tones. So I guess it's supposed to give you like a little color as well. Let's see, directions apply to wet skin. Showering with water. Okay, yeah. So, you know why it's still damp. So that's pretty cool. Then we got another one. I got this in my last box, and I ain't knocking it. I love getting full-size deodorants. This is from Degree. This is supposed to be new. Motion Sense, Ultra Clear, Black and White, Invisible Solid. Smells really good. I use the gel ones, but it does smell really good. So this is a full size. So this pays for the box right here. Okay, the next thing we got is from Aussie. This is a 3-minute Miracle Moist. This is a deep conditioner, so we can always use conditioner. Then we have from Earth Blends. This is a moisturizing body wash. Yes. So far, everything when you get in the shower, when you get out of the shower, you put your deodorant on. Then we have Advanced Third Ointment Body Spray. It immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. This is nice. I've never tried this, and I want to because I am diabetic, so I get a lot of dry skin, especially on my feet. They can, if I don't take care of them, they will be dry and crackly and disgusting. So I have to take care of that in my hands. So I want to put this on my legs and see how that is. All right. Then we have Hello. This is a fluoride-free whitening toothpaste, activated charcoal from Hello. So I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried anything like this before from Hello, or a well, I mean, I tried whitening toothpaste, but not activated charcoal. So, and what does this say? With fresh mint and coconut oil. So I'll try this and let you guys know. And there's still a couple more things in here. And then we have an acai berry. This is basically a sleeping mask to brighten and renew. So of course that's full size. And I have tried from this brand before, and I love sheet masks. So, and last but not least, changes in the hair. This is Claro. What is this? What is this? It's like a little sample. Let's say free. Oh, that's cool. Treat your, okay, for a free box of hair color. Coupon on back. Right here. Free box. And you know what? And it's up to $8.99. I do dye my hair. This is my natural color hair, but I do dye it because I'm getting like white things, and my kids like to tell me when they see my white hair, or they like to pull it when I'm not realizing it, or when I'm driving. Can you imagine driving and you get something pulled out? I mean, my hair is thinning already. It's like, come on, don't pull out what a little I have. So right on time for this. So yeah, that's everything in my box. I mean, for $5, guys, you get a free hair dye, which is up to $8.99. That's $9 right here. This is like what, $4 right here. This is like what, $2 right here. And then you have some sample size. The only thing I hate, when you get a conditioner, you don't get the shampoo to go with it. But I ain't knocking it. And then we got a little body wash, and this is great for traveling or just to try. Oh, that smells really good. And then of course the whitening, and this is really good. I mean, if you haven't tried this, I really recommend you trying this. I really like that. But I usually try, this is fair to medium. I usually get the medium to dark. I usually get, because I like a little bit more color. And then I'm really excited to try this, but it doesn't feel like there's a lot in here. But let me know in the comments below, have you tried this ointment body spray? Let me know. And then, like I said, you got a few things to tell you what everything is. And then here is again to enter for a $100 gift card. And what does this say? Embrace your beauty. You have another thing. Yeah, so I think that's great for $5. I really, really like it. Let me know what you got. If you get this box, did you get the same thing? Let me know. And what I'm going to do is, let me think. I think I have tomorrow, I have a couple more videos to put out. I think I'll record them tomorrow. I was going to record one more tonight. But my Slut Box, if you don't know what that is, it's the new subscription from Amber Rose. That should be coming in on Thursday. Another new one is my Zodiac Box. That's another new one that is being mailed to me right now. So I have a lot of unboxings to do. So, until my next video, I'm going to leave a video right here if you want to see more of me. You just click that box right there, and it'll take you to one of my videos. And then over here, you will see my face. You can click that if you want to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.